welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Tiffany Nicole, and I am coming with another video. This is another Amazon wig, well, Amazon purchase. This is my first time reviewing a headband wig, and it is a synthetic wig. So I'm going to open her up. So it says headband wig afro curly hair, and you know the headbands can be recycled. So here is the picture of the hair. It looks like it has maybe 3.5 out of 5 reviews on Amazon, but they reached out to me and asked me did I want to try the hair out, and of course I did want to try the hair out because it did look cute on the picture on Amazon. Of course I did look at some of the reviews, and you know, some were good, some were bad, so I just wanted to try it out. There is under $20. I will leave the link down below in the description box. If you have any questions about this hair after I install it, please let me know, and I will do my best to answer those questions for you. So this is the bag that it comes in. All right, so it comes with one headband. So this is the headband, like a spring summer headband. All right, then it comes with a weaving cap, and I think this is used to protect the hair when you take it off. So this is just a weaving net. Okay, so I guess you can use this like a stocking cap. Yeah, that's how they're using it, as a stocking cap. But I have like just a regular stocking cap on that I'm going to use. All right. Okay, that looks cute. It is very soft. Okay. No smell, no shedding. Well, yes, I take that back. Just a little shedding. So the curls are really cute. It's like a spiral curl. You can see that. It's like a spiral. And like a spiral or like a rod curl. Like it has two different texture of curls, but it's really cute. So yeah, this is going to be a really quick video. Basically, you know, just the headband. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. So it has 2 in the front. And then it has, okay, so it has 3 in the front. So 3 in the front. 1, 2, 3. And then it has 1 in the back. Okay. So this is the front part for the headband. And you just wrap it around and attach it like that. And it do have the adjustable straps as well. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and attach this in the back. Alrighty. Okay, so this is the wig. You don't have to have any, like if you are a person that has no edges, you know, baby, this is the perfect wig for you. And of course you can you know, pull it out a little bit more to give it that afro look. But I think I'm gonna keep mine just like this for a minute. But it's a really cute wig, and you can always change out your headbands. I really like it. It's really cute. A great, just like a go-to wig when you're having to do anything. Just put on your quick headband wig, and you can also shape it up, do a lot of things with it. So I'm just pulling it out just a little bit, just to not give it, so the curls won't be so fresh. Give it that big afro look. Not gonna come out too much, but just a little bit. Just spread them out a little bit. Okay, you can kind of see a little difference, just a little bit. This side versus this side. You can also do a bang. All right, so I'm gonna throw my headband on. I do want to try the other headbands, like the rhinestone headbands. I should have bought one today. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's a better way to do this. Okay. All right, so I have the headband on. It's really cute. It's like, oh, I really like this. The headband really brought this style out. Oh my God, this is so cute. Leave comments down below and let me know how you like this wig. Also too, you can always do a different headband. So I'm gonna try out another headband to see how it looks. All right, so I do have another headband that I'm gonna try out. Okay, so this is another headband that I had laying around. It's a really cute headband. But I do want to try it out with like the rhinestone headband. I think that'll be really cute. But yeah, this is a really cute synthetic headband wig to just wear out to run some errands. You know, having a bad hair day, just throw your wig on. You'll be good to go. I do think I'm gonna shape it maybe down later on, but not right now. I do want to wear it like this for a minute before I start cutting it. But this is really cute. I'll show you the back really quick. It's really full, really full. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.